salt.
Well done. I think he's legal.
It'll do.
Good pup.
It'll do.
Sit there.
Is that how...
Throw it out there.
You're right, fella.
Yo! Let's go. Let's measure him. It's Holt prawn. My first one in. We've christened the boat.
Oh.
We've christened Pygmy. Alright, should we measure him?
You've christened
He's
it,
40. He's legal.
He's legal. Mum's tea. We'll get more of these. Especially if that thing is working. You can't knock it because you...
Penny loves him. Penny loves the fish. I caught him on the good old Holt prawn. It's just starting to sprinkle. Hey pup, Penny loved him.
Bringing them on.
Penny loved him. Penny, Penny pup. My second fish for the day. Let's get it. He's 40.
Oh well.
It's like rainforesty. Me too. Going on an adventure, we're gonna catch a big one.
Tiddler, you want him up?
Yeah. Oh, how was that for knees?
Yeah, it sounded good.
New South Wales.
Check both of them. Because I think with they're a barb, so barb tail, so I think that's the dusky.
Dusky's 36 to 70. Flathead blue spot is 33. Same with Flathead tiger.
Oh, so what's a tiger look like?
No, he's dusky.
Tiger, he's a dusky, isn't he?
You gotta be 36.
You didn't have any glue on, mate.
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Right with him?
Don't bite. You bit me. Hey, hey.
Oh, careful with that. Don't let him go.
Hey, bud. All right. First fish of the day. Bye. See you, bud. Oh, look. Swimming boat. Yahoo! I got him. Guys, we got him. Josh is here with the Mad Fishing crew. We've just stole the boat and we have ourselves a fish that's a pretty good one. Let's go, team. All right, I gotta get him out of here. Here we go, Mr. Fish. What's the fish? Hey, hey. That's why I bought these Gorilla Grip. Oh, it's the Oysterman. Hey. Alrighty. What have we got here? We got a mess, is what we've got. There we go. That's you, team. Look at him. There, don't flick blood everywhere. He's a cracking fish, team. Look at him. Nice one. You, look at him. He's a cracking fish, team. Yes, look at it go. Let's measure him, shall we? 48. 48?
Oh,
47 and a half?
47 and a half, 48. Pretty good.
Shit,
Little
yeah.
bit back,
Yep. Wait.
I've put the whole process. The whole process.
Yoo-hoo! Let's go.
Lovely.
Lovely.